damage.
Everybody wanna be hard, wanna be gangster. Everybody wanna get a gun, call them trigger finger. Y'all niggas too soft, can't be real. Everybody wanna switch up, when they can't eat off your grill. Sitting at home doing nothing, niggas be chillin' and vibing. Riding in my car ain't stunning, window down and I'm sliding. I got a pocket full of money, but niggas be thinking I'm childish.
Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video. Cari crew, what it do, man? It's your boy Cari Beats back with another POV. As y'all can see, man, I had to start it off straight like that with y'all boy getting a little pull in, you feel me? But hey, man, if y'all new, man, hit that subscribe button so you can be a part of the Cari crew. Hit that like button. Also, if you're watching right now, man, hit that like button. You know what I'm saying? Do your boy a big favor. Hit that like button. Get the video to 100 likes at least. And today, man, as y'all can see, we're in the POV with it. You feel me? On some cool stuff. We in sport mode with it. Traction and sport, you know what I'm saying? And I don't really know what I'm gonna be doing. I'm just gonna be driving. I don't know what I'm calling it. You know what I'm saying? Give y'all downshifts, give y'all pulls. Ooh, you know what I'm saying? Give y'all boys sound test, all that, you know what I'm saying? All that, man. Y'all know how I do, man. But yeah, man, make sure you know what I'm saying, you hit that like button like I said, man. If y'all new, hit that subscribe button, man, so you can be a part of the Cari crew. My fault, I keep forgetting to hold y'all boy back. Why would you turn your blinker on and not turn? That's crazy. That's crazy. You turn your blinker on and don't even, I don't know. I probably couldn't see it from right here, but yeah, it's crazy. Y'all let me know down below, man. How should I hold the camera? I know normally like this. Like, okay, so we're gonna do this. This is one. Y'all come in one for this view. You know what I'm saying? 2 for this one, and I guess this the regular one, like 3 for this one. But I don't know, cause sometimes I'll be trying to move my hand, but it's just naturally good. Like you know what I'm saying, right by my face. Boy, Olivia sounds amazing. Olivia sounds so good, man. Olivia sounds so good. Cuz got tired on the bike. Excuse me for not talking too much. I'm really driving, man. It's therapy for me too at the same time. So, you know what I'm saying? So I just be enjoying it just like y'all do, man. About my car phone, y'all know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm saying? When you just get out and ride, you feel me, and just clear your mind. It's kind of like what this is. It's like a car vlog, you feel me? And this is what I do if I want recording, probably. But y'all just made me more motivated to, you know what I'm saying, do it and record it. So why not? Y'all love hearing Olivia's scream, don't y'all? Y'all love hearing leave you scream, man. Would it be right here right now? Why would it be right here right now, car crew? Bap, 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 bap. I thought a car was coming. Stick 'em. Give me one. Give me two. Oh, not yet. My fault. Good Lord. And one more. Lord, man. Y'all hit this beautiful piece of establishment, man. This beautiful establishment right here. Just magnificently. Sounds so amazing. Just listen. Listen to that, man. It's a never heard of scat. You know what I'm saying? Never heard of scat. Stick 'em. Come on, man. Woo. Come on, man. We in Mexico with it, vibing, cooling. We in Mexico with it, cooling. Y'all want a little 40 rolls on? That nigga still sitting on that bike, bro. What's up, man? Like I said, it's therapy for your boy, man. Give me one. Give me another one. And another one. Look at this truck, man. What you doing? Look at this idiot. I thought that nigga finna jump in. Like, what you jumping in for? Before you see me riding through, man, cruising on my cruise. You know what I'm saying? Endless torque. SCATPACks have endless torque, you know what I'm saying? You could be going 100 in fifth gear. That bitch still gonna give you a little, you know what I'm talking about? A little bit of that. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. Gonna give you a little bit of that. Ooh. Come on, man. Torque always there. Y'all see it, man. But yeah, man, just be cutting up, you know what I'm saying? A little back road, you know what I'm saying? Back road, chilling, vibing, look at the floor right there. They wanted me to hit that bit. They probably were like, God, I ain't know that scat sound like that. Yeah, man, folks be telling me to hit that bit, man. They don't be just me, car crew. They don't be just me. What we got? 1, 2, 3. Oh, it went out. Oh, I'm finna hit that bitch. All right, let's get it. 1, 2, 3. You chill out. But yeah, man. I just want to give y'all boys a little something, man. Something slight on this nice, lovely day, you feel me? Something slight, man, on this nice, lovely afternoon, evening, whatever you want to call it. You know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know, man. If my car sound good, man, it's alright. You know what I'm saying? Let me see. Let me get y'all. Roll the window down a little more. You know what I'm saying? That's some slight. I'm not even full throttle, bro. I never be full throttle in this car for real on these videos. Especially when I'm just doing like stuff like this. I just play with the RPM, man. I done did it so much, I just know how to get my car talking with barely doing anything. Like how y'all here right now, you know what I'm saying? Another one, dog. I mean, y'all see what happened, man, when I be in that thing going stupid. We got a big truck, big bodied Denali. But yeah, man. Y'all let me know other kind of POVs y'all like to see, man. Get creative, man. Get some creative titles, man. You know what I'm saying? Me in traffic. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm in traffic. Know what y'all want to see, man? Downshifting. You know what I'm saying? Downshifting there where I go. Just something different, man. Lunching it. Like, what y'all want to see? It ain't got to be. I mean, of course, it's going to be POV kind of view, but it's not going to be necessarily POV. You know what I'm saying? Teaching y'all boys some stuff. I know a lot of people say something about sliding. That's going to be a minute. You know what I'm saying? If I do that, I got to get tires and stuff and all that. But I got a video out already. There not too long ago that I was showing y'all how to slide. You know what I'm saying? So I got to go back down and watch it. Y'all will see it. It's in the title. Like me doing donuts or something like that. Like, it's in there. But yeah, man. Y'all see, man, I'm back on the other side, man. Came back across from Mexico, man, on the other side. But look, man. That's probably gonna be a wrap for the video. You know what I'm saying? Ain't really too much to it, man. I just had to, you know what I'm saying, get y'all boys a video, man. I also, man, step out the crib. You know what I'm saying? So, with that being said, like I said, comment down below. Do my car sound good? You know what I'm saying? And also, man, comment down below. What would you like to see? What type of video y'all would like to see from your boy, man? Y'all let me know what kind of video y'all would like to see from your boy. Comment down below, you know what I'm saying? So, and you know what I'm saying? Also, other stuff like, you know, me going to the city or collabing with folks, like, you know what I'm saying? All that. To a degree, though, you know what I'm saying? The collabs ain't really just a big, it is, but it ain't, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. Just forget I even said that part. But just let me know, like, what kind of video, man, y'all just, you know what I'm saying, want your boy to do, man. Trying to get up there on the road to 10K. Get your boy to 10K the quick way, you feel me? But, like I say, man, at the end of my video, you got a goal you're trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone, do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit, and you can touch it, you feel me? And also, man, for all my religious folk, keep God first, keep him in the midst. You know what I'm saying? Stay prayed up, man. I know you got bad habits, and sometimes life is harder. You know what I'm saying? Harder than they always seem. You feel me? Or always you can think of. But just keep your faith, man. Keep your head up high, stay strong, and just keep God close to you. You know what I'm saying? And also, man, like I say, at the end of my video, man, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.